Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, yeah, yeah. It's like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking day.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while. I think it's been like 7 months since I posted. Pretty much last Christmas. Actually, it's, oh my god, it's been like 9 months. So yeah, lots changed. I should probably do an update video, but I'm not gonna. This video is gonna be about replacing the diff. At the moment I've got an R200 welded diff in here, and I actually spoiled myself and I went out and bought a R200 diff secondhand, obviously, marketplace, with a LSD Nismo or a Kaz, I don't even know, one of the two. It's a two-way diff, pretty cool, and it's got the stubs taken out and welded, modified for 350Z half shafts or CVs. So I got them here. They should be way stronger than the Skyline shafts. So yeah, happy days. Diff should be mint for like a lot of horsepowers. So on this episode we are going to be taking out this diff, taking out these half shafts, and then seeing if the spline fits, because I don't know for sure about the spline and I don't know for sure about the length. Hopefully that works out and it all just fits. I should really do an update video because currently the engine is out of this car. So yeah, anyway, let's get stuck into this episode with pulling this out. I've already taken off. You need to remove this. There will be a split pin in here. Taking that bad boy out. Taking this huge ass nut off. It's loose now. And then the next step is to unscrew, unbolt all these bolts around here. And 2 bolts on the front of the diff, bunch on the back hat here. Undo those, drop this out. Probably have to undo the sway bar as well to release some tension. And yeah, it should come out hopefully nice and easy. Let's get stuck into that. Don't know how I'm going to do time lapses on this, but we'll see how we go. Alright, one other thing I've been doing differently in the last 9 months is started wearing gloves. I don't know if you guys wear gloves or not, but man, it changes everything, especially when you got babies and you gotta leave the shed real quick and run up to the house. It really does come in handy when you can just rip off the gloves. So this is difficult to film with a phone. That has to go up in there. This should just slide out of here. Sorry for the really shit filming. But comes out and we have one stock R32 Skyline CV shaft. Right side is longer than the left side, and yeah, it just comes out like that. Just pop this other side out now and drop the diff down. One of the only shit thing about gloves is they rip and then you end up with dirty hands anyway. Right, so we've got it all laid out here. This is the diff that was in there. It's just an R200 with a weldy. So yeah, who knows how long that would last. It could have lasted forever. It could have exploded the first time, you don't know. Welded diff's good though because it locks up really well. But yeah, very aggressive. So the stock half shafts are here, and lay them next to each other. Right beside it we've got the 350Z half shafts, which are meant to be a good upgrade because they're stronger and also easier to get because they don't sell these anymore, and if they do, they're super expensive. These are super expensive as well because these are really hard to get. They don't even have the parts to rebuild them most of the time now. You can get lucky sometimes, and some shops might be able to piece together some parts and rebuild them for you, but these 350Z ones apparently a lot easier to get parts for. You can buy them brand new, but they're like $2.5 grand each from Nissan at the moment, which is a bit of a joke. So got these second-hand ones. I think they were 600. The diff was like 1700, I think, because it's had the modification done to it, and it's got the two-way center. So laying these shafts side by side, the only difference I can see, they look exactly the same. Same thickness, same length, hopefully. And the only difference I can see is this extra bolt in here. So that the surface area here is a bit stronger. I'm not an engineer, but obviously that's better. Yeah, apparently they're stronger, so that's why I'm running them. They look to be the same, to be honest. But yeah, I don't know. The length of them is a bit concerning. This one over here is a lot longer than the other one. I just pushed it in and made it a lot closer, so hopefully they can compress in and fit up in this gap up here, but I won't know until I get it in there. There's also some, I think they call them axle spacers, that you can buy if the slop is too much in that gap there. But this diff, when they did the modifications, it was for an R32 as well, so hopefully it's the same dimension and these fit in there. Anyway, let's get these in there and see if we can make the wheels turn around together again. Well, the diff's back in. That was easy enough. Thanks to this little freaking rig of a thing, hey. I use this for so many jobs and it's so good, especially when you have a hoist. I'm going to start on the passenger side because this is the shorter one and it looks to be closer to the same size. So I think I'm going to have more luck with this side. Yeah. I spent ages on the S13 with a diff right before Matsuri one night, and man, even with a hoist it was a shit job. So if you're doing this on the ground, if you're doing this on the ground, prepare to have some patience, maybe have some food and some water just standing by, because it's a bit of a bitch job. After you've done it a few times though, it's easy as. But anyway, let's see how this goes. Just gonna try not to smack my head on anything, and I'll get this little tool out the way, not needed anymore. Oh yeah, thank you for your services, mate. Thanks for doing that, appreciate your help. I might say a few weird things now because I'm a double dad, so dad of 2 children. It's dad mode is in full effect, and I'm saying some weird shit. Trying not to swear, but I still swear. Is this the way this came out of here? No, it's not. I've gone in the wrong way. I've gone rear entry. This goes up in here. Up in here, mate. Yeah. And it back in the spline. Will this spline fit in is the question. Oh, it feels alright. Starting to go. Oh yeah, it's going in. Oh, that was so good. Nice and easy. Oh yeah, fair bit of play on this side. Okay, it fits, but it's actually got a lot of play between the CV axle and the diff, the stub. There's probably like 10-15 mil in there. I'll do some research and see if that's going to be too much play. You don't want to be too tight, you don't want it to be sloppy. So I'll have to look into that. But anyway, at least it's too small, that's good, because you can always put a spacer in. And let's have a go at this other side. Looks like you're in the right spot to see both. How exciting. This one. I'll go forwards entry this one. And reverse. Up in there. There you go. Oh yeah, this is going to be good. I know the other side fits, so you have to go in. You got no choice. Oh yeah, look at that. Fits in easy with space. Ah, fuck. Did you fall over? I don't even know if I was filming that whole time. Okay, anyway, so side in, the other side is in, and this is the amount of play we're dealing with here. So I'll get a tape on that and just see how much it is, but probably gonna need some spaces in there. It does, you can pull it across to get it to fit, but then you're gonna have all that slop in there, so when your wheel's bouncing up and down, it's just gonna go in and out, in and out. Yeah, gotta do some research on this, mate, but it's better that it's loose than if it was tight. Too tight is a big problem. Loose is happy days. Yeah. I'll still be keeping this set as spares because just in case this one breaks, I can just shoot home and grab these. This thing is gonna make like, it's probably gonna make way more power, and I'm probably not gonna be able to drift on low boost, so I'm sort of designing everything for about 700 horsepower, which is crazy shit. But yeah, the diff should handle that, no worries. The half shafts hopefully will hang in there, and I don't want any slop in there in the drivetrain at the back there. I don't know if that's a technical term, but that's the word I've been using. I'm also looking over to this side with my cameras on that corner. Anyway, deal with it. So yeah, that's a wrap from this episode. Feels cool to be back filming again. You guys have been dropping messages just like every week or so. Someone will be like, hey man, like when are you coming back? Are you still alive? And it's been nice to know that there was actually people watching the videos, because before, like, I don't know, you just kind of start thinking, is anyone even watching this? Because the comments were going down. But it's been great to have a break from YouTube, because it's really a trap. You kind of get lost in it, and it's awesome to be back and feeling fresh and not to even worry about any statistics or anything like that. I was trying to like, I was trying not to look into statistics, but I ended up doing it anyway. Buzzkill. But anyway, now I'm just filming this to try and record the build, because I have done some stuff on it, and because I don't have video, I don't even remember doing it, which is bad. So now you guys get to enjoy what I want to film. I hope yeah, if you found this video interesting, if you want to see more videos, hit the like button, drop a comment, give me some feedback. Do you want to see an update video? If you do, let me know. I'll do a full update, because yeah, there's a lot has changed in this freaking house. So much shit has changed, and I'll run you through it. So have a good one, and yeah, one step closer to doing skids in the R32. It will happen. It will happen. All right, peace out. You ready for it? Alright, this is gonna sell ya. Look, fresh hands, mate. See you later.